Awesome. I love that museum. I've been there
know,
twice.
you were telling me about it. It's beautiful.
It's
I've got to
great.
check it out.
And it's free air conditioning.
There you go. And it's a good time to be inside, no matter what you're doing, right?
Absolutely, yeah. I need a lot of indoor plans stacked up over the next several days as we continue to deal with 90-degree heat. Yeah, but at least we're not going to make it here. These are the top heat waves in Philadelphia. How about 17 days
oh my gosh.
of 90-degree heat? Yeah.
Oh no.
Hard pass. I think we'll skip that one. Yes, that was back in July into August of 1995. Number 2, 13 days at 90 degrees or better. And number 3, 12 days in 1999. When it's all said and done, we'll likely end up with 8 days in the 90s as we head into next week. We're on day number 3 right now, so we still have a ways to go. And it's 85 degrees right now as we get a look at our current temperatures across the region. 84 in Allentown. We're at 79 degrees in Millville, one of the few 70s on the board. 82 in Atlantic City, but that heat index is still up at 90 degrees in Center City right now. Still up at 88 degrees in Reading and still feeling like 82 in Wildwood at this hour. And people are, though, out and about in Cape May. They're likely on vacation. Very nice. So they don't mind some warm and muggy conditions down the shore, and it is definitely muggy. Dew points tell us about that mugginess factor, that humid factor. When they are in the 70s, it feels oppressively humid, and dew points are going to stay in this range as we head into the next several days, likely through Independence Day. And Storm Scan 3 showing us quiet conditions, not getting any relief in the form of rain or thunderstorms. That's because we have a strong upper level ridge in control, promoting this heat and also keeping us very dry. And overnight tonight, mostly clear, warm and muggy. What you see is what you get. 78 degrees. That's it overnight tonight. And then temperatures up to 98 degrees tomorrow. Sunshine, hazy conditions with those feels like temperatures around 105 as we head into the prime heating of the day. So again, tomorrow, need to take those precautions. Stay indoors in the AC, plenty of fluids. Heat indices in the 90s likely by the 9 o'clock hour, 9 o'clock in the morning as we head into lunchtime. Triple-digit heat index values across much of the Delaware Valley as we head into the second half of the day, heading home from work or you're on your vacation. Heat indices still up into the 90s as we head well into tomorrow evening. So, of course, you have to protect yourself and you have to protect your pet. On a 90-degree day, that asphalt can reach temperatures of 145 degrees. That is not kind to your furry friend's feet. So comfort test, push the back of your hand to that asphalt for 7 seconds. If it's hot for you, too hot for your hand, it's too hot for your pet. So be careful as you're walking out and about in the city and down the shore as well. We're still dealing with this heat as we head into the day tomorrow with a high temperature at 92 degrees, sunshine, humidity. We take a step back into Tuesday with a high of 87, but still quite hot, and into the holiday itself, sunshine. Watching out for the chance of just a very stray pump-up thunderstorm late day with a high temperature at 85. And in the city on Wednesday, we're at 93 degrees, still in the 90s on Wednesday with that chance of a stray afternoon thunderstorm. High temperatures tomorrow going to again be brutal, up to 97 in Trenton, topping at 97 in Allentown, and same case in Reading. There is our 90-degree streak all the way into Thursday and into Friday, but on Friday, a cold front is going to come through, give us a better chance of some scattered showers and storms, which could help cool us off. And then on the backside of that cold front, it is going to be much less humid as we head into next weekend. But whew, we still got a long ways to go.